In this next problem solving set here, we're going to look at consecutive numbers, specifically consecutive whole numbers. And here they are, 0, 1, and so on. We have 0 plus the counting numbers, and they go on. Now, what if we are interested in the consecutive even whole numbers? Well, we'd start with 0, and we keep adding 2 to the previous even number, so we get 0, 2, 4, and 6, and so on. Now, what about the consecutive odd whole numbers? Start with 1, keep adding 2 to it, 2 to the previous odd whole number, and we get 1, 3, 5, and 7, and so on. So let's keep that in mind here as we set up some equations involving this type of thing. So let's say that we're interested in consecutive whole numbers, and I say to you, x is the first whole number, then the next one is going to be x plus 1. We just add 1 to it. Now let's suppose that I say that they both add up to be 37. So we can set up an equation. X plus 1 equals 37. And then we have two x's there. We can add those together and get 2x plus 1 equals 37. Now we can subtract 1 from both sides. Get 2x equals 36. And then we divide through by 2, and we get x equals 18. Now to get the next consecutive whole number, we add 1 to it. So that's 19. 18 and 19 add up to be 37. So now let's see what happens if we're looking at the consecutive even whole numbers. And I tell you, x is the first one. Then the second one was going to be x plus 2. Remember, we add 2 to it. So let's say that the two numbers add up to be 98. So we can set up an equation here. X plus 2 equals 98. Now, the two x's are add together, so we get 2x plus 2 equals 98. Then we can take and subtract 2 from both sides and get 2x equals 96. Divide through by 2, and we get x equals 48. That's the first consecutive whole number. So, even whole number. Now, the second one, you just add 2 to it, and so we get 50. And so 48 and 50 add up to be 98. Now, let's say that we're interested in the odd whole numbers, consecutive ones. Let's say x is the first, so x plus 2 will be the second, x plus 4 will be the third. And let's say that those three numbers add up to be 63. So we can go x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 63. So we have 3 x's there on the left-hand side, and that'd be 3x, and then the 2 and the 4 is 6, and so we get 3x plus 6 equals 63. Let's subtract 6 from both sides, divide through by 3, and we get x equals 19. That is the first consecutive odd whole number. So we keep adding 2, and so 2 to 19 is 21, and 2 to 21 is 23. And so those three numbers, 19, 21, and 23, all add up to be 63. Thank you.